Hey, I am a strawberry, and I am here to make you stronger. I protect your heart, brighten your skin, and boost your energy.
Hey! I am just a simple walnut sitting in your kitchen, hey? But trust me, I am one of the best things you can eat today.
These talking object videos are absolutely blowing up on Instagram and TikTok right now. And the best part? This niche has barely any competition, so you can jump in and start creating content today. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. No gatekeeping. Let's get into it. All right, the first thing you want to do is head over to Google Docs where the master prompt lives. If you want this prompt, check the description. It's right there. I'm not hiding it. Copy the entire master prompt, then head over to Claude AI. You can use ChatGPT too, but honestly, Claude gives you way more detail, so that's what we're rolling with. Paste your prompt and hit send. Now, Claude is going to ask you something wild. What fruit or object do you want as a character? I know. Just trust the process. So for example, I typed orange. Yes, an orange, and hit send. Claude then generates an extremely detailed image prompt and a video prompt, like shockingly good. An orange, a character, a whole cinematic breakdown. Now, copy that image prompt, then open up Flow AI. Choose Create Image, pick your aspect ratio, set your number of outputs, paste the prompt in, and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds and boom! The images look exactly how we wanted them. A little orange character ready to take over the internet. Respect. Now, let's turn it into a video. Go to Create Video, choose Frames to Video, and upload the image you just generated as frame 1. Head back to Claude AI, copy the video prompt, paste it in, and hit Generate. Give it a moment, and that's literally it. Look at this video.
Hey! Every morning you skip me, your body pays for it. I fight your sickness, I fix your skin, I give you real energy. No pill does what I do. Drink me, eat me, choose me.
Our cute little orange rapper is out here going off, impressively unhinged in the best way possible. And here are some other videos I made using the exact same method.
Phrase. I am a tomato pecan, and I am more powerful than I look. I protect your heart, fight damage inside your body, and keep your...
Same workflow, different objects, same ridiculous results. So that's the full workflow, start to finish. Hope you actually learned something useful today. If you want more AI video niches like this, niches that are new, low competition, and actually making people money, make sure you subscribe to AI Zentra so you don't miss the next one. I'll see you in the next video.